in this session we will see how to create drawing views. Okay, so we'll see how to create drawing views in using the model. Go to new, then in the new dialog box select the drawing option. Okay, so the recent drawing that has been saved, the recent model, the drawing has been created. So you can see this in here in the below navigation tree. The part 1 has been selected automatically. To delete this, go to drawing models. I see this here. Delete model. You can delete this model here. Okay. Delete model. Okay. So I want to delete this. Simply delete this. Okay. The model has been deleted. Okay. Just click on delete. So this will be deleted. So if you want to add new model, just go to menu manager here. Click on add model. In the directory, you can select this model and open it. So in the navigation tree, the model has been opened here. You can see this. So just say done. And if you want to import the views, go to general view, select no combine. If you want default all, you can select default all, and no combine. We will add one by one. Okay, so just click on the empty sheet here, select here, go to drawing view. Okay, so in the view type, then change the view name here. Okay, and in the standard orientation, default orientation, whichever you want, you can select from here. Okay, so from bottom you can select. If you want to front, so I want this front view, we'll click on OK. So here is this isometric trimetric, select this, then visible area partially, we will see this. Okay, if you want this in some scale, if you want to scale this object, okay, say apply. See this scale has been changed. Okay, so we will do this default 01004. Okay, apply, fit to screen. You can see this. Okay, so this is how you can change. You can also see the view states here, view display. If you want to wireframe, you can apply wireframe. Then if you want hidden, you can just change the display style, shading with edges. See this. So we'll click on hidden, apply. This is how you can change the display styles. If you want to change the origin point here, you can change it. Then alignment, if anything happens, just okay, click OK. So this is how you can import the view. So this is the front view. If I want to import the next view, just go to the general view, combine with statement. Okay, then we will just okay, so we don't want any view, so we'll escape this. Just go to the projection. So we will create a projection of this. Just like this, you can create a projection. Click on the projection view and then create the projection here. Okay, so this view's projection has been created. So we'll do this. Okay, just click cancel. I'll click on this. Click on projection view. So projection will be inserted here. So I want a top view. I will create a top view. Okay, so we will see this one by one. Just click on this, edit. You can edit the display states, origin, everything. Okay, so I will click on hidden, just apply. Okay, so this is how you can change the display states. Now we will see. So we have seen creating drawing views. Okay, analyzing drawing views, concept theory, 2D orientation, how to create new drawings. Okay, orienting general views and adding drawing model to sheets. Okay, we have also seen the projection views, how to create projection views here. Okay, now we will see how to create cross section, detail views, auxiliary views. Okay, we will see this one by one. Okay, so to create the detail view, just click on the detail view. Okay, in the detail view you can see this you have to select. If you want to detail view of this surface, just click on this edge. Okay, and the spline will be created. Just okay, so I want only this view, so I will go to here, and if you want to end this, just click the scroll wheel, press the scroll wheel, and see this circle will be created. So wherever you want the detail view, just click on that. I want here, you can see this, the detail view of this surface has been created here. Detail scale 0.08. Okay, you can change this here. Edit this here. When I edit the fonts, let's see the next one. Creating 2D cross section. So we'll see how to create 2D cross section. I want to create a cross section of this area. So we'll go to here. Okay, just double click on it to edit. Then sections. Yes, in the sections option, go to 2D cross sections. Then create add cross sections. Okay, so I have created here SEC. So go to the reference and you can see this. Let's create a new one here. Okay, select point. You can select the boundary also here. See, this section has been created. We'll create a section view of this. Edit feature. Okay, edit drawing view. We will go to the section. To the cross section, I will add new section here. Okay, create a new. In the menu manager, you can see this here. Planar. Just sit down. You can create a name for this section. Click on OK. Then if you want to just select the plane here. Okay, so I will select this plane. Okay, apply. Okay, so you can see this section has been created along this plane. Okay, so this plane section has been created here. Okay, so this is how you can create section view. You see how to create auxiliary view. Just click on auxiliary view, click on the drawing. Okay, so just drag here, click. This is how you can create auxiliary views. Okay, so create new drawing. We have seen views, creating. Okay, so you'll see this. So thank you.